How to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on a mobile device from PhoneLink in Windows 11. Configuring your PhoneLink app doesn't have to be hard. Here's how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on a mobile device via PhoneLink on Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to turn on or off Do Not Disturb on PhoneLink. With the PhoneLink app, you can connect your mobile device to your laptop or PC, allowing you to receive messages, exchange files, and access your phone without needing to pick it up. However, such a connection can lead to a ton of notifications, which can be a problem when working in an active work environment. Thus, to avoid excessive distractions, you need to toggle Do Not Disturb on PhoneLink. It's easy. Open PhoneLink, and at the top of the left pane, tap Do Not Disturb to enable. Afterwards, all synced notifications from the linked mobile device will be muted. Other PhoneLink tips. Additionally, there are other scenarios to consider when using PhoneLink. If you want to hide personal or sensitive messages and files, consider enabling Do Not Sync notifications or connecting your personal phone to your personal device only. If your phone battery is draining quickly due to the connection, try turning on battery saver or disconnecting the device when not in use. If you're experiencing Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity issues, check if both your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and restart Bluetooth or the app if needed. Finally, to prevent unwanted phone access due to leaving your PC unlocked, remember to lock your screens, use a password, and disconnect when not in use. Using your PhoneLink app prudently leads to a more efficient and secure use of your phone-PC link. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb via PhoneLink in Windows 11, linked in the description below.